Having trouble activating your Visible wireless service? This video will walk you through common problems and fixes related to eSIM, number porting, and the Visible app. Visible has made significant strides in making activations smoother using digital SIM technology or eSIM. Problems can stem from device compatibility, network glitches, or incorrect information. Knowing these issues can save you time and frustration. We'll cover the most frequent issues users encounter and how to resolve them quickly. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools to troubleshoot most activation problems yourself. First, eSIM activation issues. eSIM is a digital SIM card embedded in your device, allowing remote provisioning without a physical card. Common problems include device compatibility, network glitches, or QR code scan failures. To fix, restart your device, toggle airplane mode on and off, ensure your software is up to date, and use a stable Wi-Fi connection during activation. Next, number porting or port-in issues. This transfers your existing number from another carrier to Visible. You'll need your account number, PIN, and billing address from the old carrier. Common issues are information mismatches or delays. Fixes include double-checking all details, contacting your old carrier for assistance, or using Visible's chat support for expedited help. Porting usually completes in under 2 hours, but can take up to 24 hours. Finally, Visible app errors. These often show as login failures, QR scan errors, or loading issues. Problems can stem from app permissions, connectivity, or outdated versions. To fix, clear the app cache, update to the latest version, grant full camera permissions for scanning, or reinstall the app if needed. Reset network settings if issues persist. These troubleshooting steps should resolve most activation problems. For persistent issues, contact Visible support. For eSIM issues, first ensure your device is compatible with Visible's eSIM service by checking their supported device list online. Use a stable Wi-Fi connection during activation to avoid cellular data interference. Make sure your device's software is fully up to date. If the QR code scan fails, restart your device or toggle airplane mode. As a last resort, try manually entering the eSIM details provided by Visible. When porting your number to Visible, carefully double-check that you've entered the correct account number, PIN, and billing address from your previous carrier. Contact your old carrier directly if you're unsure about any details. Always verify everything before submitting the port request. Common delays occur due to mismatched or incorrect information, so accuracy is crucial for a smooth transition. For app-related errors during activation, start by clearing the app cache through your device settings. Ensure you're using the latest version of the Visible app by checking for updates. If issues persist, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app completely. Reset your network settings on your device if the problem continues. As a final step, contact Visible support through their chat feature for personalized assistance. These common fixes should resolve most activation problems with Visible Wireless.